Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I want to talk to you guys about this lash company, and it's called Moxie Lash. Now they reached out to me and they wanted to send me lashes, and I had no idea that they were magnetic. For some reason I just thought they were regular lashes, but I fell in love with them. Like, I never tried out magnetic lashes. They always scared me because I was like, oh no, like I cannot put something magnet towards my eye because I will be so scared. So I was just like, no, that is not for me. But I'm telling you guys, I tried out these lashes and I fell in love. Like, they're so easy to apply. All you need is some eyeliner or a liquid eyeliner, and they provide that for you, and then you just apply the lashes. And I was like, wait, what? Like, it just surprised me completely. I am going to show you guys a demo of me applying them, putting the eyeliner, and then applying the lashes, just so you guys can see like the view of it. And then yeah, at the end of the video I will be giving away a pair of lashes with a liquid liner, just so you can have the combo and you guys could try it out. So a lucky winner will win a pair of lashes with the liquid liner. So I'm super excited to show you guys this video, and thank you guys for Moxie Lash for even sending these lashes. I love them. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys the demo, and then I will come back and talk to you guys about the lashes and all that stuff. So let's go ahead. Okay, love, so that is basically it of the lashes application. It's very easy to apply. It's not difficult at all. I was not a fan, well, I wasn't a fan of eyeliner just because I don't use it on an everyday basis. I'm usually not an eyeliner person. I just put liner in my waterline and I'm good to go. I never put it on my top lash, but this is easy. It's so easy to apply. They do give you a brush to apply it with. It's very skinny. I wasn't a fan of this brush, so I went ahead and just used an angle brush, as you guys can see. And this one is from Essence, and it was like $1, so you could definitely pick that up at Ulta. And yeah, this eyeliner is just so easy to apply. I absolutely love it, guys. As you guys can see in the demo, like, it was just so easy. Apply the eyeliner and apply the lash, and you just adjust it as you please. You can use your hands, you can use these tweezers, but you have to be careful that it is magnetic. So if you get too close to the magnet, it will pull the lash out. So you definitely want to make sure you're away from the magnets in the lashes. But other than that, easy to apply. Absolutely love it. I was scared in the beginning because I was like, oh my god, I don't know what to expect. This is new for me. I've never tried it, but I love it. And they did send over 3 different types of lashes. They sent me this one, the Classy Lash, and then they gave me this one, the Sassy Lash, and that is the one that I have on right now. And then the Classy Lash is just a very basic lash. It's very natural, very small lashes. These will be like an everyday lash for me because I don't like dramatic lashes like every single day. Like, that is just not me. So I love those. And then the last one that they did give me is the Flashy Lash. This one is very volumizing and they're beautiful, but they're not like something that I gravitate to. I definitely gravitate towards these two. So these are the ones, the main ones that I am going to be using when I use the magnetic lashes. So these are the ones that I am going to be giving away with a liquid eyeliner. So how to enter is basically you have to be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and make sure you follow them. They are not paying me for this, but I do definitely want to shout them out just because they did send me these lashes and they just wanted me to try them out, and I absolutely love them. So make sure you are following them on Instagram, follow me, and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below. What are your favorite lashes? Because I would love to know, of course. And yeah, you'll be entered to win this. You will be sorry. So you will be entered to win the lashes and the liquid eyeliner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.